Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good night. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risa Salsa. I am an 11th grade student of pharmacy at Bakti Pertiwi Mananjaya Vocational High School. I'm here to explain about earthquake. The surface of the earth is like a jigsaw puzzle. There are approximately 20 pieces of a puzzle that constantly move, but we don't feel it because they move quite slowly. Each of the puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates. So, whenever two plates hit or slide another plate, and a crack is caused. But when do you think it happens? Well, it happens all the time. But hey, don't be scared. Most of the times, we don't feel the quakes as they are too small to reach us. But sometimes they are so strong that they can be felt over 1,000 miles away. The place where the earthquake originates is called the hypocenter, and the place where it occurs on the Earth's surface is called the epicenter. A tsunami is caused when it occurs underwater. Earthquakes occur regularly and repeatedly. For example, the earthquake in Aceh that caused a tsunami with the death toll of 60,186 people. The earthquake in the Sunda Strait occurred with the eruption of Mount Krakatau, which caused a large tsunami at the time.